In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Edge. First, we need to completely close all running instances of Microsoft Edge. This step is crucial because any active session might interfere with the changes we want to make. You can do this by simply looking for the Edge icon in your taskbar. Right-click on it and select Close Window. Ensure that all windows are closed. You might also want to check the Task Manager to confirm that there are no lingering Edge processes. This will help us avoid any conflicts and ensure a smooth experience as we proceed. Next, right-click on the Windows Start menu. A context menu will pop up showing various options. From this menu, select Run. This will open a small dialog box where you can enter commands. The Run command is a powerful tool in Windows, allowing quick access to various system functions. It's important to use this method because it sets us up for the next steps where we will be interacting with the command prompt. Now in the Run dialog box, type CMD and then press Ctrl and Shift together with the Enter key. This action will open an administrator command prompt window. It's essential to run this as an administrator because we need the necessary permissions to make changes to the system settings. When the command prompt appears, you will see a black window with white text indicating that you are ready to input commands. This is a critical step because it allows us to make the adjustments needed for Microsoft Edge. After that, you will need to paste the following command into the command prompt. Be sure to replace paste underscore and underscore go with the specific command name that you want to disable. The command is ridge add hklm software policies Microsoft Edge per volt configure keyboard shortcuts /d tokens name deshiggle dlm software set name in units per f preserve order true tokens name in u. Once you have entered the command, press enter. You should see a message that states the operation completed successfully. This confirmation is important because it assures you that the command was executed correctly and the settings have been applied. Finally, restart Microsoft Edge to test if the keyboard shortcuts have been disabled. To do this, simply click on the Edge icon again in your taskbar. Once the browser opens, try using the keyboard shortcut that you previously disabled. This step is critical to ensure that your changes have taken effect. If everything is working as intended, you will notice that the shortcut no longer functions. This small but significant change can enhance your browsing experience, especially if you find certain shortcuts disruptive. By following these steps, you have successfully disabled specific keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Edge. Remember, making these adjustments can greatly improve your workflow and prevent accidental actions while browsing. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.